Hello crafty pals! If you are new to this channel, thank you for joining, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So lovelies, I made some Valentine's jewelry, and here's a video so you can watch me make them. Cue the tunes. Enjoy! The single inspiration for this video, this lovable ribbon. What a satisfying snap. Snip off this pair to start. Let's cut out this kissy face dude. Hopefully without giving you a seizure with the light adjustment. I'll cut off the white as best as I can. He fancies this geek, so let's stick them together. Literally. With Mod Podge. Satin finish is my fave. Now, quite honestly, I don't think I had to seal these. Normally you do have to seal something absorbent before resining it, but it would have been a lot more SMRT to seal the whole ribbon and then cut. I would think so. You'll be more the wiser. You can tell it's annoying to use sticky stuff on a thing so tiny. Oh bless, look at these lovebirds. How about this cute duo? With a third party? Ooh la la! Aw, these hearts having dates. Preparing for resin, we'll need gloves, a stir stick, 2 single-use measuring cups, and I've got ColorPour brand here because it's a simple math ratio of 1:1 and cures enough overnight to take out of the mold instead of days later like other brands. My resin has yellowed, which I guess means it's old. I should use it up before it gets to this point, but right now it's all I got. When mixing it, I try to stir even slower than slow to prevent bubbles. In my experience, I find this difficult to prevent. Maybe you want bubbles for some projects. I just think it makes the end product look cloudy. Some resin instructions will note this while others don't. This art is in fact a science, so to get as much resin mixed as possible, pour the first mix back into the other cup. This will ensure proper curing. By the way, when playing with resin, 2 words: airflow. Whether a fan or using a stove vent, opening all your windows, okay? Inhaling resin fumes is bad, okay? Here is the mold I'm using. It's made for UV cured resin, but it's silicone and does the same job. I choose this one because it has holes to make dangly charms. Highly recommended is a release spray. This is Casting Craft brand. A few spritz of that. I guess I can't see what I'm doing, ironically. Go see my pandemic Christmas bauble video and you'll see what can happen without releaser. Because I can't wait to just let it flow naturally. A torch lighter will break up any remaining bubbles. And into the resin they go. Moment of truth, I should have let a small layer cure before adding the hearts. I do recommend. In this case, can I spell impatient? This piece of ribbon here I did not seal. I was curious how it would look without it. A control group, you might say. These trios that I'm going to make studs out of, I'm doing what I call free resining, as the resin isn't contained within the silicone. By now the resin is viscous like molasses and won't likely flow over the edges. We'll take you to the candy shop for some glitter. It's the Candy Shop set by Moxie Glitter. You've got crimson, grape, cotton candy, and eggplant. So the goal was glitter as the background, and I had accomplished that. So why I added more resin after they were already clearly done, don't ask me. I already asked myself. No! 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 Good Lord. And what do you know? The resin kind of pushed the glitter outwards. So I'll just carefully swirl it back into place.
In a video about hearts of all things. God, she's so hard on me.
Alright, well, these are cured now. Here are some more satisfying snaps. Charming, aren't they? To finesse them, I'm using a nail file. Here's the back of a silicone mold to resin some other studs that I will mix and match with. Here's the counterpart to the other cube stud, like squeezing out a blackhead. Oh, admit it, you love it. Stainless steel stud posts fixed onto the back with resin. While those are doing their thing, I have some cording for some simple double knotted adjustables, featuring the back of this charm.
Oh, and my hangnail. I'm working on my bad habits.
For a bracelet, FYI, cord is not the best for this as it is sticky and not very slidable to put on and take off. But it's all that I could find because Canadian supply chains right now, you know? It still works. Now to prepare for some chokers like the one in the intro. These are 8mm jump rings, one for each side, and a single ring for this heart. Using this gorgeous lace, put the jump ring through the hole that is the flower petal. Here are some crimp ends and a toggle clasp. Did you know that these were invented in the 1970s? I thought they were way older than that. Don't you love the elegance of these finishes? They got me all choked up. They're so pretty. And there you have it. A nice and easy handmade lovey-dovey jewelry collection. So tell me, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Send some love through the like button and please do subscribe. Now I know this one's late, but better late than never. Be good to yourself, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!